Srinivas is a 48-year-old businessman. He travels at least 15 days a month for business. Srinivas has come to the clinic for sleep problems and to have his BP monitored as he has a history of hypertension. He's taking medication for his BP and a statin for cholesterol.
Your BP is high. Higher than during your last visit.
Well, doctor, I have not been sleeping so well.
For how long?
Well, for a few weeks now.
Do you find difficulty in falling asleep, or do you find difficulty in waking up once you have slept?
See, I don't fall asleep so easily. And I wake up in the early morning. And once I wake up, it's difficult for me to come back to sleep.
Did you have this problem before?
Yes, before also. But not for some time. I had this only during the time I had some worries. Business brings lots of worries. Business means I have to receive money, I have to pay money, and all these problems and tensions.
Doctor, he gets worried even for small things. And sometimes I see even he is not sleeping late night, even up to 2 a.m. And he is tired and during the whole day.
Actually, this rise in BP itself can cause sleeplessness.
Yeah.
And you should not consider medication unnecessarily because you will be dependent upon it.
Yes, I'm afraid of being dependent because I had the same problem when I was smoking.
For how long have you stopped smoking?
For a few months. At the time you are treating my breathlessness, you had told me that smoking can lead to heart attack also.
Yes.
So then I stopped then itself.
You were able to quit for some months?
Yeah.
That's a great thing.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You see, it is very difficult to stop smoking during the initial few days and few weeks. And he has been able to go far beyond that.
Doctor, it was not difficult for me to stop when I was ill. But when I became well, I wanted to smoke.
Okay. What did you do when you had such craving?
As you recommended, I kept gloves with me and I kept on chewing whenever I had the urge to smoke.
Doctor, those few months were good for his health. He ate well, slept well, and he had good health, and even I was very happy regarding that change.
Okay. Very good. In spite of all these challenges, you were able to stay quit.
Yeah. But whenever I have tension and I can't sleep, I feel like smoking.
Do you smoke now?
Yes. Because I feel that smoking relaxes me.
See, actually smoking keeps you awake.
Yeah.
When you smoke, it worsens your sleeping problem. So I don't think smoking is a good medicine for tension. Now you tell me, when you smoke, for how long do you feel the relief from tension? Is it for minutes? Is it for hours?
Say for a few minutes.
For a few minutes. If I recommend to you a medicine which gives you relief only for a few minutes, how would you consider it? And on top of it, if I tell you that the medicine is going to increase your BP, how would you take it?
I have to think of quitting smoking.
Yes, you have to quit smoking.
Yeah.
And maybe if you still find it difficult to sleep, I will give you medications the next time.
Okay. Okay, doctor, I'll try to quit.
Good. When you quit now, you will experience the same difficulties you had when you quit the last time.
Yeah.
Now tell me about your difficulties when you quit the last time.
Well, I felt restless and I did not feel like sleeping. And I had a poor appetite and of course a little bit of constipation also for a few days.
How long did it last?
Well, it passed in 3-4 days time.
Well, maybe this time I will give you a mild laxative. in order to take care of your constipation for the first few days. You can take it if you need it.
Yeah, yeah.
And your appetite, when did it return?
Well, it returned in 3-4 days time, and as you told, the food tasted much better also.
Okay. Now with this increase in medication,
Yeah.
you're stopping smoking,
Yeah.
your sleep will get much better,
Yeah,
and you will feel much better.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And did you receive this guideline?
I still have it with me, and I'll go through the guidelines.
So come back to me
Yeah.
in a week's time.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
check your BP, assess your smoking status, your sleeping difficulty.
Mm.
I think we can work out these problems together
Yeah.
in a better way.
Yeah.
And I believe you can do it.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.